Ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon is yung tinatawag natin na straight commissions. When we say straight commissions or commission, yan yung it is a type of compensation para sa mga agents or mga salesman para mapataas yung kanilang sales. Effective kasi yan eh. Kasi pag sinabi natin commission, naka-base yan dun sa kung magkano yung mabibenta nila. Okay? So para mataas ang commission mo, mag-exert ka ng effort para mataas yung commission na makuha mo. Para yung sales mo mataas, so yung porsyento o yung bahagi na makukuha mo is malaki rin. Okay, so paano ba tayo nagko-compute ng straight commission? Actually, yung straight commission or yung commission itself is para lang siyang yung PBR na triangle natin o yung percentage base and rate, kung saan yung commission is the percentage, yung base is the sales, and syempre yung commission rate is the rate. Yun nga yung rate eh. Okay? So parang yung triangle lang na to. Kaya ako dinrawing yung triangle na yan dyan eh. Okay? So para ma-practice natin, as always, basahin natin yung problem. Josie is a sales agent paid on straight commission basis. So ang bayad lang sa kanya is commission. She is given a 5% commission on his sales. Okay, so ang commission niya sa kung magkano yung mabebenta niya is 5%. If for the current month her sales reached 500,000, magkano raw ang kanyang gross earnings? Okay, bagong term yung gross earnings, no? So pag sinabi natin gross earnings, gross earnings, ibig sabihin yan is the total income total income or yung total earnings ng isang empleyado or isang hinire na agent. Okay? So, dito, ang gross earning niya lang, dahil lang bayad sa kanya is straight commission lang. Pag straight commission lang, walang ibang dagdag. Kung magkano yung nabenta niya, magkano yung bahagi niya, yun na yung bayad sa kanya. So, ang gross earnings ni Josie ay kung magkano lang yung commission niya. So, mahalaga na ma-compute natin ng tama kung magkano yung commission ni Josie. Okay? So, sabi natin, commission, pag nagko-compute, parang PBR lang, parang percentage base rate lang. Ay, wait lang. May error. Ito ay base pala, hindi pala sales. Ako lang nakita. Okay, base. Yan. So, yung base natin ay sales. Okay, parang ganyan lang mag-compute ng straight commission or ng any commission. Okay? So, solution. Sulat natin. Sabi dyan, ang given sa atin yung commission rate, no? Ang commission rate ay 5% ng kanyang sales. Ang kanyang sales ay 500,000. Yan. Ang hinahanap natin is yung commission. How much is going to be is her gross earnings going to be? Magkano yung matatanggap niya? Okay, so kailangan ma-compute natin yung commission. Okay? So to compute that, sabi natin, commission rate, yun yung R, yung sales, yun yung B. So ang hinahanap natin ay P, no, yung percentage. So, dahil P ang hinahanap natin, takpan natin siya. Magmumultiply tayo ngayon ng B times R. So, sales times commission rate. Yan ngayon ang formula na gagamitin natin. Okay? So, labas natin yung calculator natin and then input natin. Commission equals magkano yung sales natin? 500,000 500,000 times commission rate which is 5%, no, or 0.05. So lagay natin sa calculator. 500,000 times 0.05. Ang commission niya na matatanggap ay 25,000 pesos. Okay? That means Josie gross earnings is 25,000 pesos.